Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Zoma Livingstone Bed Frame. Now, this isn't just any bed frame, it's an Ottoman-style storage bed that promises both style and functionality. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's start with the design. The Zoma Livingstone boasts a classy gray plush material that's not only elegant but also feels luxurious to the touch. It's available in two sizes, double and king, ensuring there's an option for various bedroom setups. Now, one of the first challenges we encountered was assembly. It arrived in 3 sizable boxes and required a fair bit of patience. The instructions weren't the clearest, and sorting through the various nuts, bolts, and washers was a bit of a puzzle. It took us nearly 3 hours to put it all together with some assistance. Moving on to features, the Zoma Livingstone excels in providing ample under-bed storage, accessed through a hydraulic lifting mechanism. It's a great space-saving solution, perfect for storing extra bedding or seasonal items. Speaking of the lift mechanism, while it works smoothly, lifting the bed can be quite heavy, especially with a mattress on top. This might not be ideal if you need frequent access to the storage area. Comfort-wise, the Zoma Livingstone does a solid job. It supports up to 500 pounds without any noticeable creaking. And it accommodates various mattress types, including foam, hybrid, and inner spring. Stability-wise, it stays put even when moving around on the mattress, which is a big plus. However, there's a slight gap between the mattress edge and the frame, which can collect dust and small items over time. Now, let's talk about the customer experience. Delivery was straightforward, with clear communication from the company. However, if you're not keen on assembling large furniture pieces yourself, you might find this process daunting. The customer service up to the delivery was commendable, but the assembly instructions could definitely benefit from improvement. It's worth noting that the bed comes with a 1-year warranty, which is relatively short compared to some competitors. So, should you consider buying the Zoma Livingstone bed frame? Well, if you're looking for a stylish bed frame with generous storage and don't mind the initial assembly challenge, it could be a great fit. However, if you prefer ready-assembled furniture or are on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Zoma Livingstone bed frame. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.